Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, round catch Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Friends, I will show you. So we will say, let's start today's video. Viewers, romantic flower round cage Christmas centerpiece. This round cage centerpiece remains and geometry a Christmas table, soft candles, flowers and golden glow, all in perfect decoration. The base start with a round bird cage, white or golden work best. Place it on a mirror tray or a wooden base to reflect the lights beautifully. Inside the cage, place candles or tea lights. Inside, add small artificial rose babies with red berries around the bar. Decoration around the cage with pins, pearls, and a few ornaments or crystal drop will make the centerpiece glow with remains. Soft light, delicate flowers, and a touch of gold. This round cage centerpiece feel like Christmas walk in love and elegance and viewers. Christmas round cage centerpiece turn a simple round cage into a cozy Christmas centerpiece filled with pink candles and natural charm. The cage setup choose a metal cage in a vintage or finishing. Place it over a wood slice from that farmhouse touch. Add pink on small candles and dry orange inside the cage in some greenery and berries for colors and viewers. Fill the inside and final detail, tie a burlap ribbon on top and warp fairy lights around the cage as the lights glow. Thought